on, next page. What's this? Dad, is dinner ready yet?
Yeah, shortly.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Ah. This book, it's so hard. How many pages? 70. 72? No, wait, what? 71. Take a walk. Busy days can leave us feeling tired and stressed. I want to say that. Unplug, practice focusing on the world around you. Go if you can go for a walk in nature and use your senses to take it in. Use your eyes to notice everything around you. Look at you, the different shapes, colours and sizes of everything you can see. Your sense takes. Daddy, is dinner ready?
Yeah, shortly.
I'm really hungry. Oh, I wonder what he's cooking. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and see what Daddy is cooking for today. I hope it's really good. I'm gonna see what Dad's cooking. Ooh.
Hello, my baby.
Hello.
I'm
really
preparing
hungry.
pasta. I'm cooking a pasta, and this is chicken. Pasta with a mix of salami, vegetables like cucumber and olives and bell pepper and tomato with olive oil.
Cool.
Good, nearly ready because
You have
a-
everyone is busy.
I'm so thirsty. Why is it going so slow? Should I just... Oh! Nice. Cup of water.
Ready? Okay, dinner's ready, Jaiden. Get ready
Ready.
now. Prepare our plates now.
Oh! I'm gonna be waiting in the kitchen or the living room because I don't know.
You get ready now. Plates, Jade.
I'm so ready. My Lego cards have been